kiongozi wetu siku hii ya leo. Asanteni kwa heshima, tunaweza kuketi tafadhali. Asante sana wananchi wazalendo mlioweza kufika kuomboleza nasi na hali kadhalika kujiunga nasi kwa ibada ya mwenda zake Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga. Mheshimiwa Rais, kwa ruhusa yako hivi sasa nipishe mwenzangu Bwana Mike Gitonga aweze kuendelea na ratiba itakayofuata. Welcome, sir.
Asante mwenzangu Bwana Misango. Your Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces. Your Excellency Rachel Ruto, First Lady of the Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency Raila Odinga and family. Your Excellency Ethiopia. Your Excellency Dr. Kithure Kindiki, Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency Dr. Philip Isdor Mpango, Vice President of the United Republic of Tanzania. Your Excellency Rebecca Nyandeng, Vice President of the Republic of South Sudan and Chairperson of the Youth and Gender Cluster. Your Excellency Dr. Jakaya Mrisho Kikwete, Your Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, Fourth President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency Ambassadors, Foreign Ministers representing various countries, Governors present, led by the Governor Nairobi County, Honorable Johnson Sakaja, Principal Secretaries and Cabinet Secretaries present, the ODM leadership, members of Parliament led by the House Speakers and leadership of the Houses, the Honorable Chief Justice, the clergy, all mourners present in this stadium and watching from various parts of the world. Your Excellency, with your permission, we will grant an opportunity for heads of states and deputy presidents to pay their last respect to the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga.